Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Blog. So in this video my topic is Nagarro Coding Questions and the problem is minimum coins. Okay, so now problem statement is you are given with array size that represent the number of coins, okay, and an array that represent the value of the coins. Okay, so your task is to find the minimum number of coins that have a your task is to find minimum number of coins, okay, that have a total value greater than the total value of other coins. That means we have to find the minimum number of coins so that their sum will be greater than all other. Okay, so from this is the array size, okay, and this is the array elements that represent the coins. So for your understanding purpose I am explaining this. Okay, if you pick 10 and 10 and 5, okay, that means 25. This value is this three sum of these three elements is greater than the total value is greater than all sum of all other elements value. Okay, so you have to find the minimum number of coins. So behind the logic, the main logic of this problem is, first of all we have to find the half sum. Okay, half sum means the total sum divided by 2. Okay, so total sum divided by 2 of this element. So here half sum means 20, 40, 41 by 2, that means, okay, 20. This is integer value. Okay, so this is 20. Okay, now we have to sort our array, that means arrays dot sort of array in descending order. Okay, this is in descending order, and now we have to traverse our array from end. Okay, after sorting, that means from integer I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than equals to 0, and I plus plus. Okay, now we have to find the current sum. Okay, that means current sum is equal to plus is equal to array of I. Okay, in this way we are finding our the sum of the element. That means this is now descending order. Descending order means so 1, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10 and 10. So we have to find sum from that this way. Okay, 10 and then after 10 and then after 25. Okay, and now we have to check that the current sum is greater than half sum. When it is greater than half sum, okay, and one more thing, we have to find one way to declare any another variable that represent that counting the number of coins. Okay, integer count, and here we have to put count plus plus. Okay, and now we are checking that the current sum is greater than half sum. Okay, if it is greater than half sum, then we have to just break out from this loop. Okay, and finally we have to return this count. So from checking that last value is 10 and then after that 10 and then after that 5, when these three values have become 25, then this value is greater than half sum, because half sum is 21. Okay, it is 21 and our count becomes now 3. Okay, so we have to just this value is greater than 21, so we have to value just our value return return count. Okay, in this way we can solve this problem. So on main funda is we have to find the half sum. First is we have to find the half sum. Okay, we have to find half sum, and then after that in the second step we have to sort our array in descending order, and then number 3 stage we have to traverse our array from end, and we have to find the current sum. That means from end we have to find sum, 10 plus 10 and then after that 5, when it becomes 25, and one we have to increase the value of count, and we have to check that if current sum is greater than or not. If it is when it is greater than, we have to just break out from loop and we have to just return our count. This is the number this count variable count the mini coins. Okay, when it becomes is greater than half value, then we have to just return. Okay, so this is the solution. Now comes to coding part. Okay, so basically we have to find our first task is to find the half sum, okay, of all array elements. So integer half sum, we have to declare a variable half sum is equal to 0, initialize this with 0, and then now we have to traverse the array elements. Integer is equal to 0, I less than a, I plus plus. Okay, and now we have to find half sum plus is equal to, okay, array of I. And now we are find till we are find the sum of all elements. Now we have to find the half sum. That means half sum divided by is equal to 2. Okay, that means it divided by total sum divided by 2. That means we are getting the half sum. Now we have to find the array of we have to sort. Take second task is to sort all array elements. Okay, so arrays dot sort array, okay, in descending order. And now we have to declare two variable. One is integer count is equal to 0, okay, and another is current sum. Okay, current sum is equal to 0. Now we have to traverse our array from end. Okay, now already we are sorting the array in descending order, so we are traversing the array from end. That means from big numbers, all the big numbers are present in the end part, so we are traversing from the end. I is equal to I is equal to, okay, 1 minute. So integer I is equal to n minus y, I less than is equal to 0, sorry, I greater than is equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, so now we have to find the current sum. So current sum is equal to, or you can say plus is equal to array of I. Okay, and now we have to increase the value of count. That means count plus plus. Okay, so when we perform one sum, we have to increase the value of count. Okay, and now we have to check, okay, that current sum is greater than half sum or not. When is greater than half sum, we are just break from this loop. Okay, and finally we have to return the variable of, sorry, and after exiting the for loop we have to return the value of count. Okay, so we are performing all the all our task to solve this problem, and now we are going for checking the output. Okay, so the array size is 7, and all the array elements, we have to put all the elements 1 5 and then 10 and then 10 again, then 5, then 5, then 5. Okay, so our output is 3, because when we sort all the elements, because half sum is 20, and all the elements after sorting in descending order, all the big numbers are present at the end. So first is 10, then after then 20, again 10, so 20, and after that we are 5, that means 25. Now the sum of these three elements is 25, that is greater than all sum of all other elements present in the array. So here count is 3, and we have to just return the count. So total number of coins is 3, minimum number of coins is 3. Okay, and this is the solution. And one more thing, you can follow me on Instagram on any other sites that are available in the description, and this code solution are available in the GitHub. You can check from this.